Good morning, children. Welcome to our new session of Class 8 2021 and 2022. So, today I am going to introduce your subject General Science of Class 8. So, see, children, in this subject, we are going to study the fundamental concepts and technology through the various medium of different branches of science. And the basic purpose of this textbook is to understand and explain it to others that relates to our day-to-day lives. While studying the concepts, principles and theories in science, you have to understand their connection to our daily affairs. Science means we have to see what is the connection of that concept in our daily life. While studying this textbook, you have to use the sections can you recall, can you tell for the revision, so that it will be helpful for you to have a detailed study of that concept. Then through many activities given under the titles such as observe and discuss, like these titles are given in your textbook, and then try this and let's try this, all these you have to study. You can with the help of these topics you can study it very thoroughly. Any concept you can study it thoroughly. Then many experiments have also been included in this textbook. Then follow the given procedure. You have to follow the given procedure. You have to make your own observation and conclusion to perform these experiments. And suppose if you have any difficulties, you can take the help from your teachers, your parents or classmates whenever it is needed. And you know that in today's world of speedy technology, you are already using the computers, and due to this COVID also, from the last year we are using computers or the smartphones we are using. Then while studying this textbook, you have to make full and proper use of information and communication technology tools. From this textbook, you will be provided with additional information regarding every lesson, and this will definitely help you and make you the content rich. So you have to communicate with us, and suppose if you have any difficulties while reading or understanding or while studying the books, you can ask your subject teachers. You can ask me or you can ask your teacher, may it be anybody. So see, children, in this there are total 19 chapters. So half of them we had to take it before first term or for the first term, and half of them we had to take it in the second term. So the first chapter, here some of the chapters are related to living things, that means related to biology. Some of the chapters are related to physics, that means matter, mass, all these things. And some of the chapters are related to chemistry. So we'll see 19 chapters one by one. In short, first chapter is living world and classification of microbes, that means it is of biology. Then second is health and diseases, again related to it is biology. Then third is force and pressure, it is related to the physics. Fourth is current, electricity and magnetism. Then fifth chapter is inside the atom, you know that it is related to chemistry. Then sixth one is composition of matter. Seventh is metals and non-metals. Then eighth chapter is pollution, you know it is very well, last year also you have studied. Then ninth chapter is disaster management, and 10th is cell and cell organelles. That means this is the half part till now we have seen in very short. Then the remaining half part, that is the second part, that is chapter 11, human body and organ system. Again it is biology. Then 12th chapter, introduction to acid and base. 13th is chemical change and chemical bond. Then 14th chapter, measurement and effects of heat. 15th chapter, sound. 16th chapter, reflection of heat. 17th, man-made materials. 18th, ecosystem. And 19th is life cycle of star. So in this way, children, one by one we are going to study 19th chapter till the end of the year. And I hope that you will cooperate with us, and suppose if you have any difficulty, you can ask us in any time. Okay, best wishes for your new session, and in the next period we are going to start our first chapter, that is living world and classification of microbes. Okay, thank you.